Let's start with the gamma distribution. Let x be the random variable followed to the function f of x equal to 1 over gamma function of 1 over gamma function of alpha x alpha minus 1 e to power minus x, where alpha is the parameter which is always positive and x ranges from 0 to infinity. First property of gamma function is if we integrate on its support, mean its range, then it will equal to 1. So we shall discuss the first property of gamma function. Let's start with its first property, that is, if we integrate on its whole range, then it will become equal to 1. Let's start 0 to infinity f of x, that is dx 0 to infinity 1 over gamma function of alpha x alpha minus 1 e to power x dx 1 over gamma function. We take it before integral because it does not involve x power alpha minus 1 e to power minus x dx. This is a gamma function, as we know that 0 to infinity x alpha minus 1 e to power minus x dx, this is a gamma function of alpha. 1 over gamma function of alpha equal to, this will become gamma function of alpha and it will become equal to 1.